In this video, I'm going to describe in very simple words as what is LoRa or low rank adaptation. Low rank adaptation or LoRa is a parameter efficient fine tuning technique in artificial intelligence that allows for the quick adaptation of pre trained large models to downstream tasks. It decomposes weight updates into smaller matrices that can be trained separately, resulting in a faster training and reduced computational requirements. Pre-trained models have a low intrinsic dimension when adapted to a new task, which means they can be represented by a low dimensional space without losing important information. However, choosing the right rank is crucial as a low rank reduces the capacity to capture task-specific information. LoRa outperforms other techniques such as adapters, prompt tuning, or prefix tuning on various task-specific benchmarks and can even outperform models with all layers fine-tuned. Implementation is straightforward and the technique is easy to incorporate into existing training scripts. Overall, LoRa is an effective and efficient method for fine-tuning pre-trained models for downstream tasks with less computational requirements. I hope that it was useful to you. If you have any other questions about LoRa, let me know and I will do another video about it. And there is also an open source repo about LoRa, which is available on GitHub, and I'll put the link to it in the video's description. If you have any feedback on it, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.